Alright guys, so, you guys are always used to these little China dolls. And we basically built every freaking kind of one possible. And everyone always talks about a two-stroke with a CVT like I did on my four-stroke. Well, I've always wanted to do a two-stroke with a CVT, like how I set up my four-stroke. Well, I just so happen to have a two-stroke. Check this out. Alright, so I figured I'd give you guys just a side-by-side. Here's a 22mm Mikuni. Well, we're going to be using this one. It's a 28mm, PWK carb with a power jet. That's what's going to be going on it. It's a flat slide. So, anyway, it's just a little comparison. Alright. Alright, so here's the moment that you guys have been waiting for. Alright. So here she is. This is 7 horsepower. I think it's 139cc two-stroke. Got a 1-inch shaft on this one. I'm going to put a CVT on it. It does come electric start, which we're going to be removing. But, yeah, it's going to be cool. We're going to be putting a 28mm carb on this, which I just showed you guys a minute ago. The exhaust port on this is 32mm, and this right here, it's just under 30, I believe. So, yeah, this thing's a big boy. And we'll give you a little comparison here. A little side by side. It gives you an idea. So, we got a monster. But, yeah, the way that these mount up, there's no bottom mounts. So, I'm going to have to make a steel plate. We're going to mount the CVT on it. Go that route. Steel plate will have to go under some kind of mount. I'm actually going to take a felt breaker frame. We're going to custom cut all aluminum gussets, have it all welded in. All that good stuff. We're going to remove this because we're not going to use electric start. It is pull start, just like my four-stroke. They give you this extra cord because it goes to a snowblower, but this is literally brand new. This is factory in the box. I do actually have a few more of these. The go-kart people will sell their freaking souls to get a hold of one of these. So, but yeah, I never even fired this one up. Brand new, ready to roll. And we're going to go, I believe that's a 68mm piston. Or 70, I'm not sure. It's somewhere's in there. But it's so big when they do the castings and stuff on these, they actually have to cut a hole for the transfers. That's what that is. It's actually a plate so they can make the transfers in them. But usually to find one of these just running used, this is a commercial grade one. It's a 7 horsepower one. I believe they're like just under $500 for a used one, but all the ones I have never even been ran. They're literally factory. They're discontinued. You can't buy them. I do have all the spare parts. I've got 6 pull starts and all that good stuff, but that's also because I was building go-karts. It does have a governor, so I will be taking that out. And we'll be using that PWK carb, which is this one. And this is 28 millimeter. So I actually have an adapter that's going to go on there. So we're good to go. But yeah, gives you a little bit of an idea on just the pull start's the size of one of these.